Welcome to the prestigious world of elephant leather, where luxury is not just a high-end concept, but a rigorous journey of master craftsmanship and dedication. Today, we invite you to step inside our sanctuary of design to explore the incredible transformation from raw hides into our most iconic luxury travel bags. In this space, ancient tradition meets the cutting edge of modern technology, ensuring that every single piece we create meets the highest standards of excellence. Our facility is designed for precision and flow, providing our master artisans with the perfect environment to focus on the minute details of their intricate craft. Every journey begins with a vision, a design that balances timeless aesthetics with the functional needs of the modern traveler who demands nothing but the best. Watch as we unveil the hidden layers of our process, where every cut and every stitch contributes to the birth of a true masterpiece of leather. The foundation of our quality lies in the raw material. We source only the finest hides that possess the character and the strength required for our collection. Prepare to witness the meticulous steps that define the elephant leather, a brand synonymous with durability, sophistication, and the peak of global manufacturing standards and quality. The selection process is uncompromising. Our experts spend hours inspecting each hide to identify even the smallest imperfections that might compromise the final product's integrity. It takes a trained eye and a sensitive touch to distinguish between high quality and true perfection, a skill developed over decades of working with leather. Beyond the surface, the internal structure of elephant leather is what sets it apart, featuring dense, resilient fibers that ensure your bag lasts for a lifetime. This unique biological composition provides unmatched resistance to wear and tear, making it the ideal choice for high-end travel gear that faces the world's elements. We only select the top 5% of the world's best hides at each section is marked carefully to ensure only the prime areas are used for construction. Consistency in grain and color is mandatory. If a hide does not meet our absolute standards for uniformity, it is immediately rejected from our luxury line. The environment is strictly controlled. We monitor temperature and humidity to keep the leather in its optimal state before it undergoes the precision cutting phase. Every hide tells a story, and our job is to ensure that only the most beautiful and durable chapters are included in the final luggage piece. Precision is the heartbeat of our operation. Every millimeter is accounted for, ensuring that the structural balance of the bag remains perfect from start to finish. In the digital cutting room, efficiency meets art. Our engineers use advanced software to map out each component, ensuring maximum utilization of every precious hide. The transition from physical leather to digital precision allows us to achieve complex geometries that were once impossible with traditional hand cutting methods alone. Our state-of-the-art laser technology cuts with a precision of 0.1 millimeters, ensuring that every piece fits together like a perfect, intricate puzzle. And this high-energy beam seals the edges as it cuts, preventing any fraying and providing a clean, sharp finish that is the hallmark of premium quality. The speed and accuracy of the laser are mesmerizing, yet it is the human oversight that ensures the machine executes the design with absolute perfection. Once the cutting is complete, each piece is manually removed and inspected to confirm that the laser has maintained a consistent depth and path. Order is essential in our workshop. These stacks represent the skeleton of the future travel backpack and sabe bag, ready to be reinforced and shaped into their final form. Each component, no matter how small, undergoes a secondary check to ensure that the grain direction is consistent across all visible parts of the bag. The marriage of technology and material is complete. The precision cut pieces are now the perfect foundation for the architectural assembly that follows next. The soul of the bag's longevity lies in its structure. Yet we apply high-performance adhesives that bind the leather to the internal reinforcements with absolute permanence. A soft, premium lining is then introduced, providing a protective and elegant interior that complements the rugged strength of the outer elephant leather skin. We use a multi-layer construction technique. Internal canvas and high-density foam are integrated to ensure the bag never loses its shape, even when empty. Heat and pressure are applied to fuse these layers together. This process creates a structural bond that resists deforming under the weight of travel essentials. Traditional tools are still vital. The gentle tapping of the hammer compresses the bond, preparing the edges for the final stitching process with precision. The results are immediately visible. The panels now possess a structural integrity that promises a lifetime of service and a consistently elegant silhouette. Corner reinforcement is a priority. These areas face the most stress, So we double the support to ensure they remain rigid and beautiful for years. Every curve is engineered for comfort. Our handles are reinforced to feel substantial yet ergonomic, distributing weight evenly for the most comfortable carrying experience. The architecture of luxury is now complete. These skeletons are ready for the final, most artistic phase, the hand stitching that brings everything to life. This is the heartbeat of our crafts. Hand stitching with a traditional saddle stitch ensures a strength and aesthetic that no machine could ever replicate. Our master artisans bring decades of experience to every stitch, placing each one with a level of care that defines the value of high-end luxury. The visual rhythm of these stitches is a mark of authenticity. Each thread is waxed to protect against moisture and friction, ensuring lasting durability. Hardware is treated with equal importance. We use heavy-duty, polished zippers that glide effortlessly, providing a seamless interaction every time you open your bag. Our buckles and hooks are crafted from solid metals, often plated in gold or palladium, to resist corrosion and maintain their brilliant, luxurious shine. Every detail matters, even the parts we rarely see. The base of each bag is fitted with metal studs to protect the leather from surfaces. The elephant leather logo is the final touch of identity. Applied with heat and pressure, it represents a seal of quality recognized around the globe. This mark is not just a brand. It is a promise of heritage and excellence that remains crisp and visible for decades of world travel. As the assembly nears completion, the bag begins to exhibit its true character, a blend of rugged masculinity and refined, high-end sophistication and grace. Every bag is unique, and the hand-sewn serial number inside the lining ensures that your piece is part of an exclusive and traceable limited production run. The tension must be perfect. Too loose and the bag loses its shape. Too tight and the leather may pucker. Balance is the artisan's greatest skill. This collective effort of many hands, each specialized in their craft, is what transforms high-grade materials into a functional and timeless work of industrial art. The finishing touches define the master. We hand paint the edges of the leather, a process that requires multiple coats and hours of patient drying time. After painting, each edge is burnished until it achieves a mirror-like finish. This not only looks beautiful, but also seals the leather against the moisture ingress. The result is a seamless transition between the panels, a detail that is often overlooked, but essential for a truly high-end luxury product's aesthetic. Quality control is relentless. We subject our bags to rigorous stress tests, simulating years of travel to ensure every component remains perfectly intact and functional. Every zipper must glide smoothly, and every quai shock must withstand extreme tension. We leave nothing to chance when it comes to your travel experience. Once the bag passes all 12 rigorous checks, it is signed off by our lead inspector. This certificate is our personal guarantee of unmatched quality. We look for perfection in every corner. Only when the bag is absolutely flawless is it cleared for the final step, being prepared for its new owner. The unboxing experience is the beginning of your journey. We package each masterpiece with the same care we used to build it, using premium materials. Elephant leather is designed for the world's most ambitious individuals. It is a companion that reflects your status and your passion for the very best things, whether in a boardroom or a private lounge. Our bags stand as a testament to your success and your appreciation for timeless, durable master craftsmanship. This is more than just luggage. It is a heritage piece that grows more beautiful with time, carrying the stories of every journey you undertake across the globe. From the first selection to the final stitch, every second of work is driven by a singular goal: to create the world's most perfect travel bag. Elephant leather, a legacy of excellence, technology, and passion. Visit our website today to begin your journey with a masterpiece that truly lasts forever.